Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select General. Now scroll down, locate and open date and time. And now you need to switch off automatic date and time. And now you can smoothly set it up manually by yourself. So just mark date and then select it. And here you can switch time. So that's it. Now just mark it here. You can also change the time zone if you want to. Select the preferred one. Now you can go back and it is already applied. Once you want to change it again or go back to automatic setup, just open date and time again and mark set automatically. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.